New topic. Today we are going to learn a new topic on bridge paint. Okay, so to do this topic, first what you have to do, you have to cut a form of stencils. Okay, draw the cloud and cut the stencil, draw the mountains, draw the sun, and draw the water path. Okay, now I am using colors. I am using watercolors. You can use watercolors or poster colors. So first I am doing with the mountains. Okay, you can use with brown. You can see the color. See. See the procedure, just follow the procedure. You can better use watercolor, poster color, anything is fine. Okay, you can lift this and you can have one more. Okay, just shift the, okay, or you can make a big stencil or you can shift it. See the procedure, the step-by-step procedure. So now I have done with the clouds. So I just want to give a background, small background here, the background layer. I can shift this. So I am done with the clouds. So next just wash the brush, and next what I am doing, I am just doing with sun. Okay, you all know the sun is the mixture of yellow and orange. So first what I am doing, the sun, I am just doing with orange. Okay, see, done. One second, place the pencil. Next what I am doing, I am just going with clouds. Okay, see the clouds. Cloud I am using blue. So I'm done with the clouds. Next what we have to give a path. Okay, so what we have discussed, we have just give path. So try to put this. Okay, and you can take dark blue. See the watercolor, you already know the watercolor is blue. Okay, you can just show the colors. See the weight and path is, it's just like a spray painting. Okay, it's just like a spray painting. So next if you want to add some more, okay, you want to give some shades. Okay, I want to see, give some bottom shade. Okay, like a green, like a trees or something. I want to give some shades. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking green. So This green surface I'm giving here. You can show plants or something, or small green surface. Now I'm using oil pastel to highlight the outline. Just check it, because we have to highlight the outline. Once you have done the spray painting, you have to highlight the outline. Okay, the sun, already you know sun is mixed, so sun you can highlight with orange. Okay. Next, the mountains. We have discussed the mountains brown. So mountain, better you give the shade like this. Okay. First, give the outline structure. And you light to dark shade, lighter shade. Okay, so next, check this position. Okay, so next you can also highlight. I told you just you can highlight this path. Okay, the water path. So you can also have some green trees like this, small plants. You can give small plants like this structure. Directly you can give it oil pastel. Okay, and you can give a little bit grass over here. Here also you can give a little bit the grass surface. So if any extra color you can cover with the oil pastels, just check with that. So I'm just using the two colors, light and dark green. So this is not an oil pastel, this is just a painting. Okay, just the basic. Okay, you're going to, the more you practice you can improve in that. And see, you can highlight the color of the water. Later on you can also highlight this mountain. So if you want to highlight the sun, you can, okay, just give small, okay, highlight the sun. So next, give a little bit of grass.